So today I found a mushroom that I am extremely excited about, in fact, ecstatic about, and that is a lobster mushroom. Now, when I posted about this and talked about how I was excited about it, a lot of individuals asked me what's so special about it. Now, first off, you'll notice that it looks like no other mushroom you'll ever see. It kind of looks like a lobster, which makes sense for the nickname. Choice edible, which is why it's pretty damn expensive per pound. It's worth quite a bit. Now, the reason I find these mushrooms so dang interesting is not only because of the looks, not only because of the taste, but also because this guy here is this. So this is a short-stemmed russula, or a russula proverpes. I think that's how to pronounce it, but there's a few different russulas out there, a few different specific species of russulas out there that fall victim to a particular kind of parasite I'll talk about here in a second. But you'll notice this mushroom here is kind of boring. There's nothing special about it. In fact, it's known as one of the most boring mushrooms you can possibly find. Nothing really special about it. But the reason it's special to me and a lot of individuals out there is because this specific kind of russula, along with a few other species out there, often falls victim to a specific kind of parasite called Hypomyces lactiforum. And this parasite ends up taking this mushroom over and completely changing it as a species. It ends up changing its texture, its color, and basically everything about it, which is why these look so extremely different, but they start as the same thing. So when this parasite takes over, it changes everything about it, and it ends up turning into something closer to this. So Hypomyces lactiforum, that specific kind of parasite, is responsible for this transformation, and it's also responsible as to why this guy here, which is barely edible, nothing special about it, turns into a choice edible, pretty expensive per pound kind of mushroom. It's because of this parasite. So that's why I'm so excited about it. That's why it's such an interesting topic to me, because a parasite takes a rather boring mushroom over and turns into something that is honestly crazy looking, looks like nothing from this planet, ends up being really tasty.